Never seen sunshine orange at this time. You see the sun, it's orange. Most likely from the fires on the opposite side of the United States. Also a lot of smoke in the air, and it actually smells like smoke out here. This actually looks pretty crazy. But yeah, I guess that's a lot to say.